The PQRQP 3-in-1 wireless lavalier microphone works with iPhone, Android, computers, and even cameras, offering flexibility across multiple devices. It supports USB-C Lightning and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks that can connect to DSLR cameras. So it makes it very easy to use with a wide range of setups. So setup is very simple. It's just plug and play design. No additional apps are needed. It has a clip-on microphone, so it brings two transmitters right here. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, and the wireless connection allows freedom of movement while recording or streaming. With up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge, it provides long-lasting performance for extended sessions. Clear audio makes it well suited for content creation, video calls, online presentations, and much more. So all you have to do is connect it to your device of choice. Lightning, USB-C, or 3.5. All of the devices charge via USB-C, and it also includes this cable which you can actually charge more than two devices at once via USB-C. So overall, this microphone combines broad compatibility, ease of use, and reliable battery life in a compact design. So if you're looking for a microphone that can do it all pretty much, this one is going to be a great option.